is our model HD250 CNC.
Hello, welcome to Source UK. My name is
Andy.
Here, the bow is at the mitre.
This is our model
E-610DG.
E-610DG
mitre. I'll just run through some work as well as do straight on the machine. The likes of CNC.
Here we have a microscope, so that when the doors are open, the machine will swivel the head round like this. The left engineer is a handle here with a slipping clutch and straight automatic cuts. Over tight blade around the back.
We have a 3 horsepower
Right every time you
here,
do the blade up.
which is driven by frequency
Down
inverter
here,
to give you a big range of blade speeds, having
hydraulic pack,
skills right up to the
which
side.
we have adjustment on for clanking thin wall tubing.
Down here we have carbide tips, which guide the blade to nice and straight. Behind them there are steel rollers to roll the blade down before it goes through the
In
dial.
here, we have the frequency inverter, which controls the blade.
These are the button clamps
control panel.
for multiple cutting if you wish to stack material up.
In here,
They can be removed by means
we
of
have the main control panel for the machine, all the electrics, easy access at that point. Right, on this side of the machine, you can see there is a device. The machine has carbide guides
height
above the work. Let's just clear the work. Have screen only screws on the sizes for optimal guidance. Behind that are ball bearings, so the blade is rolled through the ball bearing. This is a removable small tray, so you can empty that. And again, to guard this side, there is an extra switch. If the blade breaks, the machine will more than adequate coolant supply here to flush the. With this machine, you get an adjustable end stop, and 1.5 litres of supply pulled down here. If you want to cut long pieces and support long pieces, we supply lengths of roller tracking and lengths of roller tracking here measuring systems as an optional extra. Now I'll go through the controls. Here we have the downbeat control. That is, you just send this up until it goes tight. There are. Here we have the start, and here which collapse when the machine will actually start. Correct tension. The blade will start, and the machine will come down. This micro switch, and then go back up. Switch the machine off should the blade break and stop.
Okay, this is the control panel.
Around the back of the machine.
Most important switch, the emergency stop switch
Here we have
here.
down buttons.
The main isolator for the machine.
Manual mode.
This is the downfeed control. That is the blade
This is
cutting
the vice
speed.
switch. Open.
Down here we have a control switch,
And if you turn
This
the
is
switch over to the right,
manual control on this position,
start.
an automatic control on that position. This is the blade speed.
Here we have the
So on
blade
top speed here you might be cutting aluminium, on the low speed,
which is adjustable
tall steels, etc.
with this dial here. Up to about
Here we
90
have
meters a minute.
the front vice opening and closing, the back
On this
vice
end of the
feed
machine,
vice
we have
opening and
dual
closing.
controls. So
This
we have
brings
front
the bow
controls
down
and
manually
back of the machine in
and
order
bow
that you
up
can feed
manually.
material through from the back to the end stop.
This switch
And operate
starts the
machine
blade.
behind, so you don't have to keep walking around the front to.
This
operate the
switch
machine on
makes the
tested
vice
mode.
go in and out,
This is the
again for setting
vice
purposes. And this is the main start
So the
switch.
machine will actually come
This
down
starts
and do
up all the
cut and go back
hydraulics,
up again.
etc.
Just by
Over
pressing the
here
button.
we have the computer for all the programming. That's for your lengths and the number of pieces. And I'll come to that in a minute. This is setting up of the machine. You can see the controls here. The main one to use is F3, of course, setting.
Stop just above the workpiece.
As you can see, this says Series 01. That will be the first program. There are 30 programs that you can store on the machine. You can run one program after the other if you wish. For instance, you might want to cut a 6-metre length into several different sizes. Therefore, you can run one size, then the next size, then the next size. Or you might just wish to store programs for future use. So you have 30 opportunities to do so. That said, it's very easy to set the lengths and the number of pieces, so storing is a matter of choice really. So, as you can see, there's an edit sign here. I'm going to press F4, which is the edit button, and I've got on to series number 1. That's the first program. Number of pieces to cut, I can change. For instance, 15 pieces I'm going to cut. Length, at the moment it's saying 35 millimetres. I can change that up to 250, for instance. Then if there's a slight variation in length, maybe the blade's slightly thicker than the next blade, and you can actually put a correction value in there, but usually you don't have to touch that. And then you press escape, and the machine is already set up to do 15 pieces, 250 millimeters long, and all you have to do is escape